Here I have Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and let me show you how to program the side button on the following device. So the side button is located right here, and let me show you how to program it to your needs. So let's open the list of all apps, choose settings, choose advanced features, and here we've got side button. So those are default settings. So if you double press the side button, the camera will pop up. Let me show you. The camera pops up. You need to double press quickly. Let me show you. And the camera pops up. Let me go back. Alright. You can change it if you tap here. You can, for example, open a torch or voice recorder. Let me open a voice recorder, for example. So now double tap the press icon and voice recorder pops up. You can also disable this feature. Now double pressing won't do anything. Okay. But if you long press, you will open the digital assistant. Let me show you. Let's use long press. As you can see, Gemini pops up. You can sign in here, but you can also change it and, for example, open Bixby or power off menu. And here we've got also instructions how to power off your device, because side button, it's not exactly the power key. If you would like to power off your device, you can use the upper bar, and here use the power icon. You can use Bixby to say turn off the phone, or you can also use the side button and volume down together. Let me show you. And now you've got the power menu. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.